I had the best words.
That beautiful Orion space capsule.
You're going to see some statistics coming out. Receive heart, lung, and liver transplants annually.
And the internet, if you think about this,
As Hurricane Irma approaches.
and the combat infantryman badge. You know, we just set another stock rocket. You saw that, right? The stock market.
I hope they now go and take a look at the oranges of the investigation, the beginnings.
These historic Accomplimenshayz will not be tolerated any longer.
And to delegitimize.
And then they announced there was no buys. No, as bad as it is, it meant something.
Working to improve this country and your terrific government, declaring their whole state to be a sanctuary for criminal. And God bless the United States. Thank you very much.